Okay, okay. Testing, testing, yes. Okay, so we have major updates. Now, wait for this. Here is the precipitation Oscar. It is currently about 350 in my local area. Let's look at this. It's rain and thunder. Let's look at weather radar now. I didn't even tell you guys. We have two systems currently in the tropics, nadine and Oscar. Now, why does Oscar matter? Well, why does it say advisory number 2 at 2 o'clock? At 11, it was a tropical storm that literally just formed. Quite literally. The first intensity forecast showed that it was 45 kT, which equals 50 miles an hour. And they had tropical storm warnings in effect. Like this. Say warnings in effect for parts of the Bahamas. Parts of the Bahamas. Tropical storm watches for, I bet, and the entirety of Turks and Caicos, eastern Cuba, well, kind of northeastern Cuba, like here. Tropical storm watches issued for this strip. Now, let's look at this latest advisory here. The Air Force Reserves found it stronger, and they released an update statement like the sustained winds are at least 70 miles an hour. That is nuts. That's in just 2 hours and 10 minutes. And by the way, if you don't know what rapid intensification is, here, I'll show you. No. I don't know. Anyways, it's 35 miles an hour in 24 hours, by the way. No. Hold on. Alright. This is Hurricane Jova that did it. Zoom in here. So you see an eye formed out of that. But remember this. 35 miles an hour. Now when this update was released, it was 2 hours and 10 minutes. 30. Now, let's go 3 hours. 80. Don't you think? That's a little weird. Anyways, Hurricane Watch, and then now we gotta go to the latest here. Latest graphic. So as you see, is expected to grow in size as the forecast track says it might make landfall somewhere around Cuba, and it's appearing like this is going to grow in size. They've issued a hurricane warning over here. Over here. The hurricane watches for the tropical storm warning in eastern Cuba. Then no other updates. Now see the rainfall. Guess what? What the? Here it is. So as you see, Cuba's supposed to get 4 to 6, but I'm predicting somewhere over here. I don't have a drawing board. Like this area near the coast could receive between 6 and 10 inches. And why would Jamaica get 1 to 2 from this? Just make this area 0. Why? Make this area 0. That's all. Oh my gosh. Make this area 0, please. And then, oh, wrong thing. Here's the wind history. So you can't even. I have to squint in order to see that wind swath. But it is growing in size. As you see, it was only 35 miles last time. But now, it's 45. So this is growing. But now, let's go here. Current storms, we have Oscar. The official forecast is that. Pretty good. Shows that it's a hurricane all the way to eastern Cuba, possibly making a little land interaction before turning off and speeding away and merging with an extratropical low. Surface plot right now, it is as of 18Z. It's currently right here near these two islands. There's a ship over here. It's not reporting anything. Wow. Good fact. We have models here. There's only 2 models that showed us by 120 hours moving to the west and nearly dissipating. This radar app right here, shows it making landfall over here and then becoming elongated from a northwest to southeast trough. Then it reforming its circulation around here, and then becoming a tropical storm around here. Here's its circulation. This is Monday at 5 p.m. It is expected that makes landfall around Sunday at around 6 p.m. Then it starts to weaken. And then it reforms its circulation. That becomes a tropical storm as the 700 millibar reading measure at about 35 to 36 knots. Meanwhile, Oscar here, about the 500 level, it's about 40. upper level winds are currently about like between 10 and literally what? 0. Tropical storm war. Sorry. Now, the 12th Z said that it was moving out like yet again. They only had like 72 hours for some of them. At the 6Z, there wasn't even one. Now the GFS, symbols say it's going to be around 1,004 millibars per 120-hour thing. The intensity guidance here, there was only one model that had this as a category 1. The rest of them had tropical storm force. And yet, by the time it was 18Z, this happened. That model predicted it exactly right. It was the LGEM model. Now, that model is now saying it's supposed to be a Category 3 major hurricane about winds of about 100 kT knots, for whoever doesn't know. We have the 19Z surface plot, I think. We don't. Let's look at nadine. Wrong nadine. Wrong. I want nadine. There it is. Here's the official forecast for nadine, as it has made landfall already at about 11 a.m. About noon here. The models say this could be a formidable. This is going to go to the Eastern Pacific by about 24-ish. And then it's expected to go on a northwestern path. Intensity guidance even says for a Cat 2. Although I am seeing winds of about on radar. Yes, this is the radar I use. Don't judge me. I can't spend like $10 a month on Radar Omega just to use it on a dang PC. Okay, guys? I'm not dumb. I'm not spending a bajillion dollars on a flippin' radar. We have this. It looks like it has weakened to a depression. But we can't be too sure. Let's read the 700 millibar levels. Saying about 50 KT. Oh my gosh, 50s. 60? Really? Bro. At flight level, it is about 48, like 50 KT. Let's look that up for you guys that don't know. 50 KT is about 55 miles an hour. So, if they are doing this from flight level, this is strengthening if they're doing it from flight level. Now it's only advisory 4. Bruh! See this tropical weather outlook. Now if the hunters had not Now if the hunters did not fly through, we wouldn't even know it was a hurricane. Based on current trends. Currently, this is a 96W Invest right here. So I get this radar. Oh, thank you. Now we got the full 5-day extension, of course. That Thursday, the flight level wins. Let's go flight level. Just 700 millibars, or HIPAA, whatever they call it here. It's about 90-ish, something like that. It's now moved from 4. Flight level wins for nadine. As I can't see a circulation here. I am not seeing it. So it has dissipated. I can see a tiny circulation over here. That's about it. But then now it's gonna start strengthening and reform that circulation. By this time, it has reformed its circulation, kind of. By this point, it already has tropical storm force winds, about 50 kt-ish, 45, at flight level. And then we see a big blob of cyan, which is equal to 55. Which if you look that up, that's about 63. Let's go 57 here. That's about 65. And then we have a big area now of official 57s. Which means this is a intensifying storm. We got 58 recorded here. Which is one more wind speed added. Which now we're recording 60s. Which is about 70 miles an hour-ish. 61 is 70. Then dry air comes in. They're recording 62 now. Which is a minimal 71 kt. Then, hold on. This actually starts to weaken. But then by 10, hurricane force winds are discovered. Of about 66, which is about 75 miles an hour, which means hurricane. Then, even more intensifying is observed. Now we have 70. That's 80 miles an hour. Now we're recording 72, but we all know it's one more mile above. Now I'm recording 75, which is equal to 86 miles an hour. I was about to say 5. Now we have about 79. I saw 70. I saw 80. There's 80. There's 80. Just a 92 mile an hour hurricane. So that is officially a category 2 on the Richter scale. Now it appears to stall out in its intensification process. But then by 7, there's observed 85, which is almost 100 miles an hour. And now, recorded 86, which is our highest so far. 98. There's 100. I think we're recording 89. 89 knots. That is equal to 102 miles an hour, which is officially a category 2. Oh, now we are having a 90. I saw. Yeah. 95. So it is rapidly strengthening now. That's about 110. And by the way, the winds in the center, if you're wondering, are 0, basically. Or about 3. We're getting 93s, which is meaning it's weakening a little bit. At least should be meaning. We're just all 97. There it is, 97. There's an official 97, which is a major hurricane. 111, right there. Now by 1, this is still strengthening, by the way. I saw 101. 101 knots. 101. Which is 116 miles an hour. Which is a formidable Category 3 major hurricane. Now wait for that 4 p.m. There we go. Now it starts to weaken a little bit. It still has 95, but it's no longer a major. Now we have a 94, which means it is weakening some. We have 94, which is about 110 miles an hour. If you could. Bruh. Now we whoa. Now we get winds of 103 miles an hour at the end of forecast period. 120. Just call it 120 miles an hour. Because that's at flight level, boys. Aww. The newest trends say that this storm It's supposed to be like around a hurricane force, but it's gonna be extra tropical if they can even. Wait, they can't even spawn at that latitude. Oh my gosh. That's a full blown hurricane. Really? Okay, so got the hurricane models here. At 18Z, this says at 12, but this has appeared to weaken rapidly. Let's do the Logwave IR here. Hold on, guys, gotta go use the restroom. Alright, so this is Natalie right now. So the ping here is about negative 90, negative 80, whatever you want to do it. Oh, nice. Here's the latest scans. It appears it is in Guatemala now. The water vapor is slowly dissipating. The visual here appears landfall now. The visible high res. It appears that center of circulation is right here, near the border. That's clouds. Clouds. Honduras. Clouds. Clouds. Clouds! Clouds. Okay. Sorry about that. It appears the center of circulation is in. Just pause here. The center of circulation appears to be like right here. But we don't know yet. Now, whatever this says. Okay. Now, let's look at the Gulf of Mexico one. This is another. It's another region. To invest 90. We don't even have it. Now let's look at her. There's Hurricane Oscar. It appears that its rapid intensification is slowly ending. Let's look at the. It doesn't look like an eye feature is starting to form yet. Your center's about right here. 71 degrees west. Now let's do some invests. Really? So this is currently what invest. An old frac. Some good. Now 96 out. Oh my gosh. We have an Atlantic wide one. So it looks like something is developing on the African coast and is moving out. Oscar. The latest Oscar did not even form. It's been like a couple hours since Oscar formed. That's just insane for a intensifying storm. Now, aircraft recon right now is recording about. Still, they're recording about 989 millbars. And a peak wind speed about between 64 and 83 kts. latest 10 minutes, they've been recording very short crap. The drop zone finding at 2009 millibar level, which is 0. It's about 28 degrees. 850, it's about 18, 700, we don't know yet. And about 714, it's about south at about 23 knots. The full mission in Nadine here is from 1625, which was over 3 hours ago. This was from 2003. Sorry. For the recon, they're measuring flight winds. They're measuring wind speeds of about 75 kT. So that means this is still strengthening. Because 75 kT equals 86 miles an hour. Very bad. They've been recording even more at about 80 kTs, which is about 90 miles an hour. Which is still category 1, but the pressure is still dropping here. As it's been recorded at almost 987. Okay. The dew points, the flight level temperature is dropping to about -5 Celsius. The pressure
kids across the street from you are the ones that set that on fire.
The flight level winds have been measured at 80 kTs. If we look at this, that's 75. But if we look at this is the top of the order, that's 80. That's a surface wind. Surface. Just wait until it reaches category 3. The only mission into Nadine is being recorded right now. Well, not right now. This was 55 to 60 kTs, which means this could have been a 70-mile-an-hour tropical storm. Possibly even a hurricane. There's only 3 drop zones. The most recent one has been recording pressures about 850 heptas. So we're measuring winds about 23 kTs. And then at the 858 millibar level, 0. Yeah? Okay, sorry about that. Anyways, let's view the max wind band here. Now, it was at 42 kts, but at the 855 millibar level, it was 53, which is pretty bad. If you think about it. If you think about it hard. This most recent one went down to 700 HIPAA, and it's measuring levels at 714 millibar at about 23 kT. 1009 is the service. Oh, alrighty. Hold on. Okay, sorry about that. It was just an interruption. Now, we have a finished one. Satellite imagery is showing the water vapor right now is explosively. What? No. How long? No, wait. The reason why is because JJ also went out. All right. So, uh, so this is the Atlantic Eastern Pacific view, north of the equator, all the way up to like Canada or something like that. I had the screen door locked, you know. Why want fresh air? Alright. Anyways. Sorry about that again. Okay. Sorry about that. Okay, so what the? Hold on, something is wrong with my chair. Sorry about the interruption. How are we? New advisories for both Natalie and Oscar should arrive soon. Well, Natalie's just arrived. We have 80 miles west of Belize City, 105 miles south of Chernobyl, Mexico. And then here, that's intermediate. So now we're going to have to wait. It appears that there is still a tropical storm warning in effect. And then, now, we go to the Eastern Pacific outlook. Right here. That's Natalie. This is not going to be Natalie. This is going to be a brand new tropical storm. And even a major hurricane. If what this says is actually true, then it will become a major hurricane, and then complete chaos will ensue. They have not made their official times yet. They have for this. So Saturday, 8 p.m. if tropical storm force winds even arrive. And look at that, I was right on my prediction. Guatemala is currently over. The most likely time is this, Saturday, 8 p.m. There. 5-day. Wind speed probabilities. So, basically, there's northern Belize, most of the Yucatan, and parts of regular Mexico are expected to get tropical storm force winds. The earliest reasonable is that. Then the most likely is that. So either way, some of those. No. Oh. The wind speed probabilities right now are looking dim for this area. This is the current winds right now. Tropical storm warnings are not discontinued just yet. They are still in effect. This is all in the tropical storm force winds. They don't even have them all yet. It looks like a giant butt. It's still in effect up to Cancun, although Mexico should lift it off of Cancun later today. Tiny winds are now in the Gulf of Mexico, which means wind. It's expected to re-enter Mexico, then exit out, then become a Category 2 hurricane. That's what is expected out of this flippin' system. They've been monitoring this system also in the Eastern Pacific because this is Natalie right now. That is Natalie. Now, the last storm that the Eastern Pacific had was 11E back in early October. It's October 20th. It's been relatively quiet. Meanwhile, since October 1st, there's been a bajillion storms that formed. And ever since Francine formed in September, it's been insane. Bang, a storm. Bang, a storm. Short one, in fact. Bang, a Category 4 that makes landfall. Bang, a Category 2. Bang, a fish storm. Bang, a Fran storm. Hold on. Bang, a fish storm. Bang, Category 5, but affects Florida as a Category 3 and Bermuda. Bang, current storm. And then bang, current storm. So from Francine, starting on September 8th, the Atlantic went berserk. A month later, we went from F to M. And then for the first time in a long time, there was no storms until we have storms. Eastern Pacific will most likely get the remnants. If it doesn't dissipate, however, it will still be named Natalie. As we have seen this before in 22, with Hurricane Julia, it made landfall as a Category 3 in Nicaragua, then it moved across Nicaragua, then it approached the Pacific coast, and then it ended up on the Pacific coast. Still as Julia. It emerged over the Eastern Pacific. But it did make landfall again in El Salvador. And then here's that hurricane. And it became a hurricane, then it made landfall. They have to go to Eastern Pacific. Then it moved off. Then it hit El Salvador. It's about the smallest hurricane. Well, it's not really the smallest. That was 16A. Look at this. 35 miles. And but Oscar was 35 miles. And update. Oscar is stronger now. That's about the big windfall. This is not increasing in strength. This is increasing in strength. And see, I told that was about what, 75? Yeah. No, I said 80. Jones said 80 knots. This is most likely, yeah, that's advisory 2. At 2. I will be doing this for a couple days. Now we're gonna play some Discord, not Discord, flippin'. VC. If he accepts, then I got 3 DMs. I got 3 pings in this server. I got 3. There's 1 ping. What? What? Okay. Nice. Share it. Both. Okay. Sorry about that. Just had to quickly message some people that GMD that I'll be in a journal chat. I don't even know how much people are watching this right now. Did anyone ever watch? No. No. No one did. Bro. So, for 1030 high pressure, zoom in here. No, I ain't. The temperature is about 83 degrees right now. It is exactly in the middle of the dang thing. Anyways, let's go 384 out. As you see, snow. Now, if I go here, the US, I believe it is this. Yes, it is. I don't have stupid ads. Cyclone tracks. Perfect. For here, zoom in. You're expecting now all of the track models to move up. Bro, please select. What's this? Somebody. So that. Oh my gosh. They're idiots. They are idiots. Alright, anyways, let's do satellite, infrared, super, whatever. Not there. Not there! What? Dude. Let's go look at the current radar. 72 hour. Zoom in into our beloved hometown. It's not a hometown, but it'll do. Let's look at some past winter storms. So there was one on wait here. What about January 16th? No. Hold on. Free. Dude. Okay. Sorry about that. Ah. Okay, we are now going to play some Territorial.io. Now, this website sucks, so we're gonna do a classic. Why would someone search Temu? Temu, whatever it's called. We're gonna do this. Since you, the player, you can easily full screen it. Wait. Now, let's do, like, I don't know. Okay. And you can actually see pixels. Let's do Scandinavia. Because Scandinavia. Alrighty. Where do we spawn? Yeah. Uh, I. You gotta be kidding. Spawn up here. No! We got perfect spot right here. Tons of development. You can do. There's 25. With that stupid pixelated version. They're already expanding. Wows. So we're down to 20. So we're down to 15. There we go. So now start expanding to the east. There we go. Got it. Now Brunei. Sally. Get him. I guess. Holy crap, I got him. Get it. This is the max I was able to grow. Wait. This guy's weak, but I'm not going to attack him yet. Since he is going to rapidly intensify. Weakened. Good attack. Good attack. Let's capture this. Go. Ugh. Still like a small navel. Bro! gosh. Anyways, we have one thing. I'm not going to participate. Because everyone is about to participate. We got Asia with barely anyone. We got 22. Uh-oh. No. Central Russia. Wait until we have 1,000. Go! Okay. We are expanding now. Now, let's rapidly intensify like Milton. Boom. Kaboom. Got them. Get him. Got him. Vamos. Oh, I got him. Sure, got him. Dude, no. Let's try attacking. Wait a minute. Blocked him. was I defeated? I had islands. Alright. If the heck? I don't see anyone, you idiots. The heck is here? The 7 bar. Precipitation radar. Inch. The 24-hour snowfall was 16 inches. Over here, we have pockets of snowfall over here, like 8 inches or so. Later, we can see snowfall in parts of New York. Even Pennsylvania could get some snow. Even Delaware. It looks like a nor'easter's gonna hit, and some good snowfall is gonna occur. A deepening like 20 inches in the Sierra Mountains. Then snowfall in North Dakota. Monday, November 4th, it's gonna be around 2 to 3 inches in northern Michigan. Let's look at the GFS now. No, let's look at the EC Fast. A high pressure is going to set in, which brings a heat dome. Then that's going to leave. If it becomes a pretty cold spell. Now the ECMWF, I want snow. Just only the GFS do snow. Wait, total. Yeah. The total snowfalls. This is gonna be all the snow accumulations until November 4th. Just 384 hours advance. On Tuesday, they're only saying barely any. Wednesday, they're saying a nor'easter would hit Maine. And now, runtime today at 12Z extends these totals 7 inches around here. They say about 32 Celsius degrees. Say below freezing. How about Ohio? Like here. It's gonna be below freezing. Like at its lowest point. It's gonna be around like 35. Let's run this back. There, it's gonna be about 10 degrees. cold, cold, cold. The heck is going on? The ECMS EPS model says that oil pressure associated with Oscar is going to cross in here. Then a cold front, I assume a low pressure is going to form. Then it's going to bring some rain to Ohio. Then another another pressure on Halloween night is going to bring heavy rains and possibly even snowfall to parts of the Ohio Valley and possibly even a nor'easter over here near Maine. Now the total precipitation amount then there's finally rain. The icon models. The total snowfall. Yay. Only got to 48, which in that 48 there's barely any. The GMA model only shows total accumulated, which is very scattered. The Navgam says Oscar's gonna deepen to about 994 low and hit Canada. And there is no flippin' rainfall of that at all. The ECWMF, I'm gonna show total here. So the trends are saying it's gonna make landfall around Cuba, then speed off to the north. Then now it's looking the Great Pacific view. It's turning night for some areas. This is one of the most concerning things known to man, a rapidly intensifying storm. I believe it has officially made landfall. I think it has officially made landfall. It is not official, but I believe this has. Oh, it's fair to say it's been an unexpected day. Oh my gosh. They were tiny, tiny, tiny. 5 nautical miles. It's expected to bulge out at about 90 miles an hour. Here's the latest. So it is now expected to make landfall as an official Category 1 on the Richter scale. Hurricane force winds are now spreading out. It's expected to merge with a low. What in the world's going on? Anyways, Oscar, Natalie right now is currently at for some reason National Hurricane Center says this is its wind field, extending a wide ton of miles. But when we go to the flippin' Oregon surface wind, This is what it shows. Only northeastern quadrant of the system. Um, so, these tropical advisories, obviously. Tiny, tiny, tiny Oscar. Tiny, Oscar. Tiny, tiny Oscar. So I've kind of made a song about it for some reason. Then we have Natalie on the Eastern Pacific Outlook. So, then yet again, for the fifth, for like the fourth time, there's frost advisories on the latitude of southern Ohio. Graphical hazards for the Cleveland area show patchy frost and trouble, most of trouble, prompting a possible frost advisory for literally just Trumbull County. Now, Thursday, nothing. Yet nothing. Now, there's high winds. Watches in effect. We got hurricane warnings now. Holy crap. We have tropical storm warnings extending all the way out to the U.S. coastal waters, which might prompt a tropical storm watch for outer waters of Florida. Like a nautical miles, like only for a tiny section of coast. But it's still a coastline. And it's still going to be bad. I'm just letting you know this now. Why is... Okay. Near freezing? What do you mean near freezing? That is... Right. 32. Bro. So, So, it's expected that there is barely frost over there, and then frost, and then freeze, 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 29, 28, whatever. There's even more frost, more, and freeze. So, yes, I'm gonna have to use this. Sorry for using a flippin' wonder. I thought that was weather ground. What the? Weird. Past storms. Select. Now. Opal. Now let's just do the latest. Active. So currently, it's believed that it has made landfall, at least I'm thinking it has, near in the city of Cockburn Town. That's a real city, guys. That is expected to make landfall over Matthewtown. And oh my gosh, it's it, bro. The wind speed, the hurricane wind speed, doesn't even span this entire island. And yet they think it's not even gonna go. It's expected not to make landfall in Cuba now, but weaken as what? Uh, what? I'm trying to comprehend. Why is there two Cockburn towns? The latest guidance forecast says, well, for some reason they add a little more than just what they should have added. Is expected to make about a 90-degree turn and move to a more 50-ish degree angle turn. Now Nadine is still a tropical storm. It made landfall on these random islands. And then made landfall here as a 60-mile-an-hour just an hour later. Now it did go over a northern lagoon. Then it moved northeast. Then now it's moving west. No, I meant northwest, sorry. Now it's moving west. And now it's in Guatemala, where there's no tropical storm warnings. We could be seeing a hurricane here. Oh, crap. Hold on. Gotta go. Use the restroom. Give me a few seconds here. Unless Oscar, sorry, I'm back. Unless Oscar somehow gets a flippin' aneurysm and rapidly intensifies to Category 5, which will never happen, folks. There we go. That's how you activate the newest Outlook. And the flight level one, the updated intensity has been outlooked. It looks like it now maintains it. It looks like it maintains its circulation, which means this still will be named Nadine. As early as Tuesday, it's back to being a 60-mile-an-hour traditional tropical storm. As it moves rapidly west. Now it's up here, as this wasn't anticipated in the forecast.
What are you talking to? Can I have a cookie?
Yeah, why not?
Yeah.
No problem. Anyways.
Who got yours, Daddy?
What?
Who got yours, your daddy? The cookies.
Oh, no, that's Mama.
Where the fucking mama goes somewhere to get cookies? When the fuck did we get ice cream?
What do you mean?
It's a joke.
We're having 80K team wins as early as Wednesday, which has not happened in the latest scans. At 4 p.m. Oh. We're still getting a weakening now, 85. Now it's strengthening. Yeah, now. Oh, I saw 85. There it is, 85. So that means it is a category 2. Now, I will stress this. That is bad. 88. That's 100 mile an hour. 101 mile an hour one, sorry. I'm not going to stress this enough. Track these two storms. It's becoming nighttime now. I saw that. There's 90. 90. That's 103 mile an hour winds, which is 105 according to the NHC because they're silly. And by the end of the week, yep, there's the 90s. Rapidly intensifying now. 95 is 109. We're not seeing more than 95. Now we are. Not. And now it's moving rapidly northwest. Zoom in here closer into the sidewall. I'm always seeing 95s. Here. Yeah. Maybe not just that. Maybe not just. That's 99. Oh, that's 100. That's 100. Eastern Quad. 101. Alright, so we have 101 now. 116. I think that was an accident. That wasn't, though. We got... we had 101 now. Now it's this starting to weaken now. So we only have about 96. The heck? The next up, wait, do we even do we have more? Because I feel like we have more in the Eastern Contra, but and now it is starting to weaken. The last update is strengthening. And it's back up to a category 3. I saw 102. There's 102. There's a 102 there. There's a 103. Higher than ever before. A formidable 120-mile-an-hour hurricane. Wow. And this was formed off of nadine. This is most likely Oscar. Or this might be Oscar. I don't know. By the Philippine storm. Eastern quadrant. Squalls of about hurricane force are expected. Not seen a wind gust. I'm scared to even look. Wait. 700. You can't even look at the surface. It's always surface, bro. Wind gusts of this. Yeah. That's to be expected with wind gusts. This is basically the winds. So just act like this is the winds. 140. New record set. Wow. We have Milton, category 5. Burrow, category 5. 4 category 5s in the last year or so. I thought I'd eat more cookies. They're recording tropical storm force winds all the way out here. This is the current center. That was the current center. Let's play some Roblox. We have no new developments right now. But again, I am stressing this so gosh dang much. Please. We're testing games right now today. Let's try this. No. Try this like four. Is five on? Try. Also, turn this down.
Alright, y'all, move. Move. Bear, move. Bear! Move. I need to sit at my chair for a minute. Somebody move my chair.
Look. Okay. Let's get more cookies. What is the gift?
You okay?
Yeah. Okay. Uh. Okay. Oh crap. Ah. 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 Gosh dang it. Ah. Ah. I might have.
What are you flying, hide the pooper?
Oh, come on. Oh, come on. We all know it's not that. What's that? Your fedora, nice. Alrighty. Just tried the game, failed it, so bye-bye. Now, you know that live stream like best game ever?
Look at it.
It's been reborn.
Hey, look.
Yeah. What the? Okay. First of all, why do you look like Bray Wyatt?
It's Halloween party, and I'm Bray Wyatt.
Oh my gosh.
Did you know I was going as Bray Wyatt, or did you think I really look like Bray Wyatt?
I really do think you look like Bray Wyatt, except if he was big. You look like Bray Wyatt, except if he was really big. In other words, fat. I'm not body shaming you. It's just what you look like, okay? So, this game we have not. Alina. Oh, by the way, this does not represent any real life. Oh, two. Oh, oh, category. Oh my gosh. Holy crap. What the? We're about to have a Cat 5. I forgot. Turn on UX Plus. This and this. There's a Cat 5. Oh my gosh. Purple means 5. SSTs sustain a Cat 5. It did it. It did it. Cat 5. It's expected to start weakening. It obliterated Alpaco with hurricane force winds. There's high wind warnings across the entire northeastern United States. Uh-oh. We're having another one. Uh-oh. Uh-oh! Not again! Not again! It's still strength 195! What? I don't. Genevieve! Oh my gosh! 200! 205! 201, 215. Hot, 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 hot. What? It's chaos. Oh my gosh. No! No! Not again! Uh-oh. Kenneth! Kenneth! Please! No! It's strengthening! What the? Oh, what? What? There's 5 storms! Ferdinand! 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 Holy! Can't find Ferdinand! Hey. What? Uh-oh, careful! Oh no! No! Not Galveston! No! Galveston! Oh, what? No, this is all over 1900. What? What? Oh my gosh! It hit California! Holy crap! Something! I meant Genevieve hit California! What? Oh my gosh. 1650! Galveston is wild. Oh no! Wait, what? It's a Category 5 major hurricane. Do you think it's only gonna be tropical storm force winds? No. 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 There is. No. Not Kenneth. Oh my god. Man, go. What? Oh my gosh. Dallas, it's under a tropical storm watch. Hurricane Harvey. It's not Harvey. It's Galveston. Oh my god. 42. Oh no. Houston's already receiving hurricane tropical storm force winds. Oh my. SST's high, but wind shear stopping it. Thank you, wind shear. Grr. What the? Oh! Another category.
Not long before game time.
Wahoo! Another Cat 5.
8 o'clock tonight, right?
Yeah. Another Cat 5. Oh my god. What? Hurricane warning for San Antonio. What is it? is expected to go over the jet stream. Uh-oh. Corpus Christi's about to get a Cat 4 landfall. Oh my god. Gert is a... Hold on. How far does this hurricane go up? Pittsburgh. Pittsburgh. Oh. 136. And it's just a high wind warning. I mean, there is only like 500 tropical storm warnings. Washington, D.C.'s getting tropical storm force winds. Oh my god, Ferdinand made landfall. It's turning northward now. It's now Cat 1. Austin. Oh my gosh, Corpus Christi. Rest in peace. Most of the entire Gulf Coast. Cleveland! Cleveland! Youngstown is getting high. Holy crap. Cleveland, Ohio is getting winds. It's moving over my city. What? I have never seen this. It's about to be an SST. As it's gonna move over the Great Lakes. At least, hopefully, move over the Great Lakes. Why is Ferdinand extended to Tennessee? Oh no. 95! What? 94! What the heck? 90! Oh. How is the SST 63? Oh my gosh. It was just 90. What the heck? What? What? How does it have a fit? 65! This was... I don't have words. The water depth. How is there even water depth in Raleigh? What in the what? St. Louis? What the heck? Oh, no, please. Well, say your last prayers for Florida. Hold on. What is this? A tropical... It's... It's surviving! What the heck? Major hurricane. Oh, category 2. I don't even. I swim in Lester. Ileana is about to hit Seattle. What? Yes. Sand it. What? What? It's a hurricane! What the heck? wave landfall is only a category 1, however. I mean, it is now gonna move over Cleveland again. Oh my gosh, Imani. Imani, please, no. Good. Oh, you gotta be kidding me. This wave landfall in the Philippines. The heck? There's about 87 systems over here. No! Houston still has water depth. McAllen. And it's up here. What? Why this it extends about 500 bajillion miles. It is not. Bro. Oh my gosh. Dang it, Cleveland, you got hit for the second time. And welcome Imani into the mix. For your clearly going to issue a travel store warning, you kind of have to. Free body. My gosh. Uh-oh. We have 89. With kind of good. Well, last time I played this, Japan got battered about 5 times. No, like, quite literally, 5 times. Live chat? Who is that? Hello? Uh... Do you talk English by chance? Cause how do we talk English here? Sorry, but if you want to talk, you're gonna have to Google Translate it. Cause I do not know whatever language that is. Arabic or whatever. I do not know exactly what language that is. If you're watching this, comment.
God dang it, what was that?
Let me see here.
I can't get through.
You're stepping on the cord.
Well, let me through.
Trying.
You got it up there, making it harder for me to step.
Still, at least on my feed. Uh-oh, a rapidly... Not What do you mean? So we had, of course, winds over Akron. Yeah, how is it 50 degrees? Just, come on. Bruh, huh? Whatever. Oh, it's a 50-mile-an-hour storm. I assume. Because it does that sometimes. No! Huh? Wait, no. Here's the puck. Started off as a simple and low pressure, then rapidly intensified into a major hurricane. Made landfall. Rapidly intensified into a hurricane. Hey. Made landfall, boom. Made landfall, boom. It's still a hurricane. Expected to make landfall in India and then remain a hurricane. And then travel up north into the Arabian Sea and then make landfall and finally dissipate. Or become extratropical and not forever. Can I try to... Hold on here. I've got to Google Translate. Live. What? Channel. Move. Channel. Okay. Live. The heck? Translate. Hello, I'm waiting. Take a look at Cambodia. Okay, weird. Got Paul now. I don't know why he would want me to look at Cambodia. Uh-oh, landfall in India. Okay, think latest drop scans are now here. Or whatever. So let's reload. Nope. The current storms. But we have infrared satellite here. So it shows that this thing did intensify. It is still intensifying. The aircraft recon for mission satellite imagery for Natalie. It appears it is rapidly moving west, and its center is about here. And then something's trying to develop there. I assume something. The long-wave IR shows it's still producing blobs. Land. Let's do a United States one for the past couple of hours. Because you see, Arizona is extra tropical low since this is rotating now.
Well, I hope and pray that I get the house across the street.
Yeah.
And then I can ship you off. Once in a while, not often.
Oh.
Well, you'll be able to see that anymore. You'll be living close to me.
Yeah. GFS is only showing up to 138 now. 12Z, they have that as 12Z. But the brand new 18Z, they only have 138 now. The latest models call for some snowfall down in Pennsylvania. So I got a winter storm from this year in January. Let's do the 16th. See what even more to one county. Bruh.
Lucy, move your snout.
Bro. I have to search this up. No.
God dang it, Lucy, I'm gonna kick you out the door. Move. Move! It made it easy for me to realize none of them need crap to eat. Dang. Okay, let's see how this goes.
Now, with these latest radar scans, not loaded. The GFS model has loaded now 100 to 62. It's now predicting about 993 millibars no landfall. Then a redevelopment takes it up north. A cold front comes down. And brings snow over to the northeast. They're now expecting this. I have some snowfall moving down, 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 down. This model shows heavy rains in Ohio, although no snow. Because it doesn't even get snow on here, I believe. There's slight rains. Then there's heavy rains as the system moves up north. And then more rains in Ohio by November 3rd. Now let's look at this CMC model, showing that there is going to be some rain on the 24th. Then a front travels across and doesn't hit anyone. Really? That's what the CMC says. Then the Navigam gives an accurate representation of Oscar rain will not hit Ohio in this forecast. Now, rain also won't hit my. Oh, it will hit Ohio, okay. But just barely. That's like these JMA models. They have only that. Suck. Let's go to the assemble. Do we have a forecast? No. The hurricane models now. The GFS for Oscar. But now look at the global. What? They have 180 now. Maybe a bit of snow in New York. High pressure rolls into Ohio, which keeps rain out until this forecast period, where a deepening glow is observed. Okay, so let's look at the end. HC! Natalie, currently, we already looked at basically everything Natalie's got except this, which, as you can see, is not accurate. This is accurate. It appears like winds have straightened out and are now happening across the Gulf of Mexico. Sorry about that. This is what is forecasted to happen here.
Get out of my way.
Oof. Anyways, it has a 20% chance of cyclone formation, either though it has already, uh, either though it's still true. I don't even. Ugh. I'm kind of 20% chance of cyclone formation in 48 hours. Natalie, disturbance. Now, you can't even see the hurricane force winds because it's in the hurricane warning. But it did. Look. Guys, I think I'm gonna go. I mean, I ain't. This is all that I. This is. This was a good time to do weather. Good weather. We will see ya when hurricane. If. We will see ya when something happens that is big. Like Oscar becomes like a category 3 or something. Which is basically impossible, but not impossible. Anyways, see ya. Goodbye. I hope to see ya when Oscar does something. See ya.